All right, we're going to take a look at teaching a lesson about habitat to middle schoolers using technology. We're going to start by going to edpuzzle.com. All right, now the first time you use it, you'll have to sign up. Luckily, if you have a Google account, you can just sign in with Google and sign up with Google as well. Okay, so choose your account and it brings you to a page similar to this. You'll notice you'll have your Google Classroom classes already in there for you. Right? Otherwise, you can add a class. But let's go to the content. So I've already uploaded some content for use. But let's say you're just you're looking for a lesson on habitat for middle schoolers. So we're going to go to Create and find a video. Now, you can search YouTube, Khan Academy, National Geographic, etc. to find appropriate videos. This is a new feature, this curriculum that EdPuzzle has put together already with the content. People who've already uploaded things and has been curated. So you can view content for middle school. And like I said, we wanted science, so let's go to science, habitat, probably life science, etc. So we can drill down. This will take a while. I've taken the liberty of going through this already, and it's in my content. I eventually found this Crash Course Kids video on habitat called Home Sweet Habitat. Right? So I selected that, and so now the cool thing about EdPuzzle is that you can edit any video you find on YouTube or anywhere else. And I've added a few questions here. Right? So as the video progresses, you add a question. So is this a polar bear's habitat? Explain, right? The video just went on and explained what a polar bear's habitat is like, and that's not it. And so you can have the students answer the question there.
The porcupines animals don't just need a place to live.
All right. And then there's these questions about what polar bears eat, right? And then what makes a habitat a home after it's been explained. The other thing I did here is that I cropped the video to only 1 minute and 26 seconds, right? Using this for formative assessment, and I want to know what my students know already. So I didn't make it too long. I could expand this longer or shorter.
I need sandwich.
All right, and I could add an audio track, and I can narrate through the entire thing myself. If you're familiar with Crash Course speakers, they speak very quickly, right? So I might want to slow it down for my students. I might even want to change the language. I can add audio notes as well, so that as students get to a certain spot, like here, I can click there, and now I'm recording, and I can let them know that the Earth doesn't really have eyes, right? Okay, let's say, and then I can also add quiz questions. There it is. So I can add quiz questions at different places, which is what I've done here. Right? And let's call this saved. Let's save it. Let's go to finish. Now I can assign it to my different classes or share it with anyone. The other superpower that's available here is prevent skipping. So in order to get through the video and to complete the tasks, students have to watch the video. They can't skip to different parts. They have to answer the questions or listen to my audio notes. As the teacher, I can then see how many times they had to rewatch the portion of the video to get the question correct, whether or not they got it correct the first time, and how long they spent on this entire assignment. I'm going to go with share with anyone, and I have a link that I could share or embed into my website, or in this case, my portfolio. Okay. And that's it. Thanks for watching.